hash step-by-step solutions. Step down, hash my 1. Update GPU drivers. First step. For NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience. Please open your app to see this link. For AMD, use Adrenalin software. Please open your app to see this link. Open quote. Outdated or buggy GPU drivers often cause Unreal Engine and video memory errors. Close quote. 2. Verify or repair game files. Steam, go to Library Grounded 2, right-click Properties, Installed Files, Verify Integrity. Game Pass Xbox app, go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, Grounded 2, Advanced Options, Repair, Reset. 3. Force DirectX 11, fix DX12 related crashes. Steam, 1. Go to Properties, Launch Options. 2. Add, you can see the code in our conversation history. Game Pass, navigate to Config File. You can see the code in our conversation history. Look for any .ini file like engine.ini and manually add. You can see the code in our conversation history. 4. Clear shader cache and temporary files. Press Win-R, type hub. You can see the code in our conversation history. Delete the folder. You can see the code in our conversation history. Also clear temp. You can see the code in our conversation history. Increase virtual memory, paging file size. Press R, type. You can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Go to Advanced Performance Settings, Advanced Virtual Memory. 3. Set to Custom Size, Initial 496 megabyte, Maximum 892 megabytes. Open quote, helps with out-of-video memory crashes, close quote. 6. Disable overlays and background apps. Disable overlays, Steam, Xbox Game Bar, Discord, etc. Open Task Manager, disable any unnecessary startup background apps before launching Grounded 2. 7. Optional, lower graphics settings via config if game launches briefly. Go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. Edit engine.ini or gameusersettings.ini to manually lower. You can see the code in our conversation history. 8. Reinstall in a clean location. Final step. If all else fails, 1. Uninstall Grounded 2. 2. Restart your PC. 3. Reinstall to a different folder or drive. 4. Run the game as administrator. Let me know if you want a ready-to-copy ini config tweak to fix